Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, more maps sa Marcelo.
Hey, Beshi Omar, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Good morning, Insan Omar Manalaw. And happy birthday sa'yo. Alam kong birthday mo ngayon, hindi ako makakadalo. And ingat palagi. And enjoy your birthday, Insan. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mer. Ingat ka lagi, Mer. Enjoy your birthday, Mer. Manalangin tayo lahat lagi, Mer. Sana mahaba pa ang buhay mo, Mer. God bless sa lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng bigay mo, Mer. Happy birthday. Ulit.
Happy birthday, Tito R. Kamusta ka dyan? Okay naman. Sana po, wish ko maba po yung buhay mo. Sana po rin, okay lang po kayo dyan. Thank you po sa lahat ng binigay mo sa amin. And thank you po.
Happy birthday, Tito R. Enjoy your day and I hope na ang wish ko sa'yo is mas sumaba pa yung buhay mo and more blessing yung dumating sa inyo. Thank you for everything po na mga binibigay nyo tuwing Pasko or may mga okasyon dito. Thank you for everything po. Happy birthday po ulit. Ingat ka po lagi. Happy birthday.
Hands up, it's your day. Let the candles light the way. Let's go. You've been shining all year long. Now it's time to hear your song. Another trip around the sun. Let's make this one the best